Good morning, everyone. Today is June 26th at 8:35. You guys, let's take a live look at the E-mini futures right now. A couple great signals so far populated, going 3 for 3 so far this morning. I did not take these trades. I'm actually just now getting on here to do a technical analysis with you guys. So just stay here for a bit, grab a coffee, grab some tea, and I'm just going to go over my exact analysis on trading the E-mini futures so you guys can have as much education as possible. We're going to be taking a look at this linear regression up top and also our dashboard, which is going to give us all the main metrics we need to know to trade in the market. So what happens when we get these sell signals? So you guys, right now, if you were to put, let's say, like a metal ball, the best way to describe this, which way would it technically roll? Right now, we are still heading slightly bearish in the market. So I want to have my sell signals illuminated, and this is where we're going to capitalize on good trades in the market. If this ends up going more of a consolidating area or switching to a more bullish sign in the market, that is totally okay. That is just when I will go to the settings here, and under style, I'll just go buy instead of sell. So this way, we're always trading with the trend. So on the bottom here, let's go ahead and do this as well. Let's go ahead and turn this over to sell and sell. I don't want anything else on my charts to be distracting me from the overall trend. So when these sell signals were illuminated, you can tell in every spot here, money was flowing out of the market, stepping down. Think of this as stepping on this line, money heading out, money making a lower high, and money making a lower high here. So also, this middle band will tell you to either stay within the trade longer or to know when to get out. So for example, you guys see how this is all green right here? That is when, if we go directly straight up, this could be one of the entries, and exit would have been right up at this area here. So that's what I want to look out for. Now, I'm getting a lot of comments of saying, Justin, what is your stop loss on this? And I'm going to show you exactly what that will be if we end up getting to a trade here. So let me go over something right now that you guys can use that is a very good way to spot multiple entries into the market. You guys can tell right now, do you see how we're kind of actually slightly going sideways, if not a little bit more bullish in the market? So I'm actually going to be adjusting this, and this is what we can do. We can just adjust on the fly. It's totally okay. To this direction here, since we're slightly going up. So something you can do, let's say you get into a trade like this, you end up running up, where can be one of your stop loss areas? Not so much for stop loss, but also take profit as well. So if you're overall in a trend like this, if I see a doji candle like this is going to tell me that there's indecision in the market, and that's where you can get out. So when you come down, consolidation, first coming up, this is a strong bullish candle in the market right here after some doji candles. This could technically be your second entry, and you could run it up to the first doji candle right here. So that ended up pulling out, this is 875, all the way up to 30, at least a point or more in the market. So again, when it comes down, you get some consolidation, first bullish candle, actually getting this before the buy signal, use the buy as confirmation, run it up even more, and then you're out of that trade. So right now what I'm looking at is we are heading back up. Money is making a higher low on the bottom here. This middle band is nice and green, showing overall momentum in that area. We are making a higher low in price action here as well, which I really like. We came down, we consolidated with a doji candle, and we're looking for just a strong bullish candle to look to be going long, since overall our trend is heading a little bit higher here. So what you can look out for is when you come down with these doji candles, this is a prime example right here of the first candle that you can look at to be going long. And that is when you have a full candle, the body of it has to be solid green and only a wick out the top. You see that one right here? This could technically be your entry, and then as long as you have preceding candles that are the same, that's where you can stay within these trades longer and look to capitalize on not only just a point here on the 2-minute, but way more. So you guys, let's take a look. How much was this actually in profit? Let's go into our indicators here. Let's go and do price. And this ended up running, if you play to the first doji, 4.5 points in the market, or 18 ticks. Now guys, we're just going for 1 point in the market here on the 2-minute time frame. So being able to capitalize on that point is why I suggest just going for that amount. Now, if you're over here trading on Tradovate with 4 lots, this is going to equate to a $200 profit every time you go for 1 point in the market, okay? So what I want you to do is just try to find consistent, profitable trades where you're entering into trades and you don't even have to second guess it at all. You're like, this is what Justin's been teaching me. Everything's moving in the right direction. Money's flowing back into the market. It looks like money's making a higher low. Overall linear regression is heading to the upside. Perfect. Let's just be patient and wait for the trade to pan out. What you can do as well is you can overall tell on bigger time frames or lower time frames exactly where the market is heading. So right now on the 5-minute time frame, if we were to go one time frame up, do you see how we're overall in a bearish trend here? But we are making a higher low even on the 5-minute. Now let's go down to the 1-minute. Where's the 1-minute heading? We've actually got a couple nice buy signals here to show that a higher low is coming in, and this trend could actually be reversing and going more to the upside. Let's actually go over to the 2-minute here, and I think we're going to be able to get into a nice trade here to show you guys a live example since this candle is forming one of the best bullish candles. See how we came down, consolidating. If this candle closes here, so we have 1 minute and 45 seconds left, okay? If this closes as a bullish candle, I want to look at entering in over here on the DOM so you guys can see a live analysis and profit here on this account since all of our metrics are in line. Money stepping back into the market, overall green band, overall bullish momentum, nice strong candle here. I really like this setup. Let's go to the 1 minute here real quick. Buy. That was technically our first signal that we could have taken for a bullish candle. So let's do this. I don't want to get into this too early and just jump the gun on this because I want to go back. So whatever time frame you're choosing to trade on, stick with that time frame, okay? So you can use other time frames as confirmation, but I want to be patient here. I know it sounds like a long time. It's like, oh, we got to wait 57 seconds. Guys, just wait. It's totally okay. If I can't wait on this video and show you guys transparency of exactly what I'm looking at, then I'm not teaching good principles to any of you guys. So let's just wait for 45 seconds on this. In the meantime, why don't we give some shout outs to people who literally just joined in the last day here? So let's give a shout out right now. So let's go to sales on here, and I'm going to give a shout out right now to Dale. Dale, thank you so much for joining. Leave a comment below here. Bruce, thank you for joining. Mohammed, thank you for joining. And Alex, cheers, guys. Thank you so much for joining. I do have open schedule a little bit more this week for one-on-ones. If you guys are looking to do that, I'll show you exactly how to book those one-on-ones after we close out a profitable trade here, because I really want to take this one here and show you guys. We have 11 seconds left, 10 seconds left, 9. Gosh, we're doing a little doji candle here. I don't like that. Oh, gosh. This is why doing these here live with you is so crucial. And 0. Candle has closed. Okay. Invalid setup. That is all right, you guys. That is okay. Another doji candle. And this is what I'm saying. If it doesn't close on a strong bullish candle, it's okay. It's just telling us there's more indecision in the market, and we could see it either reverse now to the downside or it could continue back up. Overall, we are still trading in this bullish momentum here, so I do want to still have buy signals illuminated because that will give me the best opportunities in the market. While this is doing this, I want to show you guys where to grab everything. If you head over to My Future Succuss or just go below in the description, this is going to give you access to all of the metrics. Please keep an eye on this date for increasing. So everything right now is still at this price, but go ahead and go over here and click I want this. That'll give you access right away. Everyone who ends up joining, just like the one-on-ones I've done this week, does have a 50% off all one-on-ones. Take a look at our 5-star ratings over here to the right while you're over there. Read through some of these customer reviews. Honestly, guys, it is miraculously incredible what people are actually doing with this. Honestly, outperforming myself in the market. It's insane. A video I just did yesterday, someone ended up making tens of thousands of dollars trading NVIDIA. I had another, member make $2,000 or more trading the ES. It's absolutely incredible. And you can do this over time. You absolutely can. It's being patient, finding the best setups during the day, and just capitalizing on those. So let's stay here live with you guys a little bit longer here. I know it's a little bit longer video than I normally do, and I apologize for that, guys. But guess what? This is live. I can't make this up. We are on here on Hiekin Ashi candles. I'll show you guys here too. If I end up doing bar replay, it actually says this is invalid bar type. So everything that I'm doing right now and narrating is live here with you. So my videos, please subscribe to this channel. I go live here to show you guys real lifetime examples of exactly how to use these metrics to pull out a couple $100s in the market as many days out of the week as possible. And if you have any questions, just email me as well. That's going to be below in the description. But I want to be here as the humble trader and YouTube person that you guys can trust that is going to give you the best education as possible. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love this right here. Take a look. Consolidation. It's trying to figure out where it wants to go. Still making a higher low. This is a great candle right here. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. I wouldn't be surprised if this is going to close out here and be a good, strong candle to push here a little bit higher. See how we're testing these right here? Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, let's be patient and not jump the gun. On the 1 minute time frame here, this is something where we could actually be looking in at going in for a long position here. I know overall right now, yes, this is trading bearish in the market. where's the actual trend on the one that we're going for? 2-minute time frame is still bullish, right? So look at this move. Take a look at how much this is moving up in the market here. It's got 1 minute and 15 seconds left on that one. We've got 12 seconds left on here. I like this. I really like this here on the 1 minute time frame. 8 seconds left, 7 seconds. What I'm gonna do is when this closes, just like I teach my one-on-one videos, let's wait for a slight little pullback and then let's enter in. Okay, it is closed. Where's the price right now? We're hitting at this area. Let's wait for a quick little pullback. Let's see if we can get filled down into this area potentially. Oh, I might not even go that low. Oh my gosh, this thing is just running on us. Let's see if we can get filled right here. All right, order filled. You guys can hear it in the back. We're going to be going for 1 point in the market here. This will equate to a $200 profit. Let's go over to the 2-minute time frame. Strong bullish candle, still heading upwards. This just needs to close out for a couple more ticks, and that's going to be a $200 profit. Keep an eye on this profit and loss up top here. Money still making a higher low into the market. Middle band is solid green. This looks to be a great trade. Overall bull trend, coming off a consolidation, bullish candle. There we go. Looks like it's going to close it out. Let's see if we can get it. Only need to go for a couple ticks in the market. And this is where you guys can spot. If you can just go for this 1 point on the 2-minute time frame, you got to ask yourself too, how many times can I do this? There you go. Order filled and in the back complete. You guys just heard it here. Look at this run even further. So what did we do? We're on the 2-minute time frame. We were looking at the overall trend is bullish. We then went to the 1-minute time frame to get more of a micro sense of it to see what was happening with price action, making a higher low, coming out of consolidation. The first bullish candle that came afterwards with all of our metrics in line was our entry. We then confirmed on the main time frame that we're looking at that overall the trend was still heading up, placed our order right at candle close on the 1 minute, waited a couple seconds for a quick little pullback of a couple ticks to get it on discount, and then executed a point profit, which was $200 in the market. Guys, if you want to do one-on-one tradings with me, please send me an email and I will go over live price action just like this and trades like this with you, so we can go over it and make sure that you're a very consistent, successful trader every single day in the market. I thank you guys so much for following me here on YouTube. I will be doing as many of these videos as possible every single week. Please do hit the like and subscribe and notification button. I'm going to try to be doing this between 9 and 11 a.m. every single day. So when you get a notification, you can look back. Everyone who's trading with these metrics right here, let's go ahead and look at this. This is 846. Here on June 26th, I want you guys to go back on your own charts. I want you to see this exact entry. Everyone who's using these metrics could have taken that trade right there and made some money in the market. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please reach out to me. God bless. Have a great rest of your day. Take care.